Hey, Gunner. Can Mama videotape you while you brush your teeth? Huh? Hello. Do you want to brush your teeth? Here, look. Here's your toothpaste. And your toothbrush. Will we get it wet first? Yeah. Oh, wait. That's not yours, is it? Whose is this? Whose is that? Yeah, that's Joy's. Let's get yours. There we go. There's yours. Okay, hold it out there so I can put the toothpaste on it, okay? Hold still. Okay. Brush your teeth. Can you brush them? Can Mama help you? Here, look. Brush down here. You're just chewing on it. Here, let Mama do it and then I'll put more toothpaste on it, okay? Hey. Turkey head. Now, hey. Let me brush them and then you can have more, okay? Let me see. Wait, open back up. Do the tops. We gotta do the top. Listen. Sorry. What do you want? How do you say more? More? Is that how you say more? How do you say telephone? Telephone. What about sleep? Huh? Daddy. Very good. Yell for Daddy. All right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yep. Brush them. Okay, do what Daddy taught you to do. Do this thing. Oh, sorry. Are you done? Okay. Tap it and be done. Tap it off. Let's shut the water off now. Nope, no more. That's it. We're all done. Hmm? No, you don't need any more. What are you doing? You're what? So? Well, we're done. Look, we gotta put it back. Go tell Daddy. I brushed my teeth, Daddy. Nope, we're all done. Say bye-bye. Look.
Bye-bye, teeth.
Say, yep, say bye-bye, teeth.
Bye-bye, teeth.
Okay.
Bye-bye, teeth.
No, don't do that. Yucky. Okay. Yuck. Yuck. Don't do that. We're done. Thank you. Thank you.